Hello, my friends. Today, I want to talk about something very special. We will talk about how to make learning English a happy adventure. Learning a new language can feel big and hard, but I promise it can be easy and fun if we do it the right way. Let me tell you a little story. When I first started, English felt like a giant, tall mountain. It was high, and I was very small. I did not know where to begin. Every word was a rock I could not climb. But then I found a small path, and then another. Slowly, the big mountain did not feel so scary. Today, I want to show you many of these easy paths. First, let's talk about our phones and computers. There are many fun games and apps for learning English. They feel like playing, not studying. I remember an app with colorful pictures. I matched words to the pictures. It was so much fun. I learned new words every day without feeling tired. So, find a game you like. It will help you a lot. Another good idea is to find a friend to learn with. Learning with someone is easier. You can help each other. You can practice speaking. I had a friend named Alex. We met every week. We talked in English, even if it was simple. Sometimes we made funny mistakes, but we laughed and learned together. Having a friend makes the journey less lonely. Also, learn about things you love. Do you like sports? Read about sports in English. Do you like animals? Watch videos about animals. When you learn about something you enjoy, it does not feel like work. I loved cooking, so I found simple recipes in English. I learned words like mix, bake, and sugar. It made learning tasty and fun. Writing a little bit every day is also very important. You don't need to write a long story. Just write small things. Write about your day or what you ate for breakfast. I had a small notebook. Every night, I wrote one or two sentences in English. At first, my sentences were very short, but soon they became longer. This little notebook helped me see I was getting better. Don't be afraid to talk to yourself. This might sound silly, but it is very helpful. When you are alone, try to describe things in English. You can say, "This is a blue cup," or "I am opening the door." I used to do this when I was walking. I would talk to myself about the trees and the sky. It helped me practice thinking in English without being shy. Music is a wonderful teacher. Find simple songs in English and listen to them. Try to sing along even if you don't know all the words. Singing helps you with the sounds and rhythm of English. I learned a simple song about the weather. Every time I sang it, I practiced words like sunny and rainy. It made me happy and it helped me learn. Another easy tip is to use labels in your room. You can write small words on paper and stick them on things. Put a label on your door, your window, and your bed. When you see the words every day, you will remember them easily. I did this in my house. Soon, I was thinking the English words without even trying. It is a simple way to surround yourself with English. Remember to be patient. This is very, very important. Learning a new language takes time. It does not happen overnight. Some days will feel hard. You might feel like you are not learning, but you are. Every word is a small step. I remember feeling sad when I could not understand a story, but I did not give up. I just rested and tried again the next day. So always be patient with yourself. It is also good to review what you have learned. After you learn new words, look at them again a few days later. This helps the words stay in your memory. I used to make flashcards. I wrote the new word on one side and a picture on the other. I looked at my flashcards every morning. This review helped me remember so many words. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning. Mistakes are not bad, they are your teachers. When you make a mistake, it shows you where you need to practice more. I made so many mistakes. I used to say words wrong, but my friend Alex would help me. I learned from every single mistake. Celebrate your small successes. Did you learn 5 new words? That is wonderful. Celebrate it. Did you understand a sentence in a song? Be happy about it. When you celebrate small things, it keeps you motivated. When I finished my first simple book in English, I bought myself a small ice cream. It made me feel proud and ready to learn more. Finally, try to make learning a habit. Just a little bit every day is better than a lot one day a week. Maybe you can study for just 15 minutes every morning. Consistency is the key. I made a rule for myself. Read one page of an English book before sleeping. Some days, I was tired and only read one paragraph. But I did it every single day. This consistency helped me improve so much. Think of learning English like planting a garden. Every word you learn is a seed. Every sentence is a small plant. You must water your garden every day with a little practice. It takes time, but soon you will have a beautiful garden full of colorful flowers. Be proud of every small flower you grow. Now, I want to hear from you. What is one small thing you do every day to practice English? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let's help each other water our gardens. Thank you for being here on this journey. Keep learning, keep trying, and always be proud of how far you have come.